Are you ready to make a move on Ford stock? In this captivating video, we're delving deep into the world of Ford. Our initial report was released on our website on Wednesday the 20th of September 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't miss out on any vital updates that could impact your investments. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest insights. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our cutting-edge AI stock analysis tool, powered by the revolutionary GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Unleash the power of artificial intelligence and gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Get ready for some exciting news. As of September 8, 2023, our revolutionary system has ranked Ford as a hold/accumulate, giving it an impressive score of 0.47. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period and discover some fascinating insights. Brace yourself for the roller coaster ride that Ford stock has experienced, with a thrilling gain of 0.49%. This translates to a jaw-dropping average return of 0.05% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. Are you looking for a great selling opportunity in the stock market? Well, I have some exciting news for you. There's a stock that lies in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This means that a potential selling opportunity awaits. Just imagine the reaction as the stock moves back towards the lower part of the trend. And here's the really interesting part: if there's a breakup at the top trend line at $12.59, it could indicate a slower falling rate and possibly even a trend shift. Let's talk numbers. Based on the current 3-month trend, there's a potential minus 21.35% change over the next 3 months. That's quite significant. And the possible return? It could be between minus 31.44% and minus 19.90%. But don't worry, we're not done yet. Now, let's dive into the 12-month trend. Brace yourself for a 1.79% change over the next 12 months. That's definitely something to keep an eye on. And the potential return? Get ready for this, it could be between minus 8.20% and 26.9%. This means that after a year, the stock could be trading anywhere between $11.35 and $15.68. Exciting, isn't it? Welcome back, folks. Today, we have some exciting news to share about Ford stock. Hold on tight as we dive into the latest updates. Brace yourselves for the headline: Ford stock downgraded to hold/accumulate. Let's talk numbers, shall we? Yesterday, Ford's stock price experienced a dip of minus 1.59%. That's right, it went from $12.56 to $12.36. But wait, there's more. Throughout the trading day, the stock went on a roller coaster ride, fluctuating 2.55% from a day low of $12.35 to a day high of $12.67. Now, here's the interesting part. Despite the recent dips, Ford stock is still up by a solid 2.4% over the past 2 weeks. And guess what? The decrease in volume along with the stock price is actually a positive sign. It indicates that volume is following the stock's movement. Speaking of volume, on the last day, the trading volume dropped by a whopping minus 3 million shares. In total, approximately $462.13 million worth of 37 million shares were bought and sold. That's a significant amount, isn't it? Ready for some historical context? Fasten your seatbelts. Over the past 52 weeks, Ford stock hit a high of $15.42 and a low of $10.90. Currently, the price is 19.84%, or $3.06, below the 52-week high and a staggering 52.22%, or $13.51, below the all-time high on January 13, 2022, when it reached $25.87. Get ready for the latest analyst ratings on Ford. On Tuesday, August 1, 2023, Daiwa gave Ford a neutral grade and recommended a hold action. But that's not all. On Friday, July 7, 2023, Morgan Stanley rated Ford as overweight with a hold action. Hold on tight, because on Monday, June 5, 2023, Oppenheimer downgraded Ford to a perform grade. Brace yourself, because on the same day, Cannonball Research gave Ford an underperform grade with a downgrade action. And lastly, on Monday, June 5, 2023, BMO Capital upgraded Ford to a market perform grade. Are you curious about investing in Ford stock? Well, hold on tight because analysts have some exciting news for you. They've given Ford stock an incredible strong buy rating. That's right, it's time to pay attention. And it doesn't stop there. When it comes to the PE ratio and price to book, the analysts are shouting, strong buy, from the rooftops. However, when it comes to return on investment, things are a bit more neutral. But don't worry, there's still plenty of potential here. Are you curious about the latest signals for Ford? Let's dive in. We have some interesting signals for the Ford stock. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. This means that although there is some uncertainty, the overall forecast for the stock is positive. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance at around $12.51 from the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if it falls, it could find support at approximately $12.27 from the long-term average. Keep an eye out for a breakthrough or breakdown of these averages, as it could trigger a buy or sell signal. Excitingly, a buy signal was issued recently, and the stock has already risen by 5.19%. There is also a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, we should consider some negative signals that have emerged, as they could impact the stock's short-term development. Notably, the volume decreased alongside the price in the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Are you ready to discover some fascinating signals? Let's dive in. Brace yourself for the moving average convergence divergence buy signal. Get ready for the pivots buy signal, which happened 19 days ago. And don't miss out on the Bollinger buy signal that occurred 4 days ago. On the flip side, the short-term moving average gave a sell signal 4 days ago. However, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 8 days ago. Keep an eye on the relation between the short and long moving averages, which gave a buy signal 5 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the bigger picture with the 12-month chart. The short moving average triggered a buy signal 10 days ago. But beware, the long-term moving average showed a sell signal 32 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 24 days ago. Excited to explore more signals? Head over to our page at StockInvest.us. Looking at Ford, support, risk, and stop loss. Let's dive into Ford's current situation. One interesting point to note is the support it has found from accumulated volume at $12.16. This level could potentially present a buying opportunity. Whenever support is being tested, we often see an upwards reaction in price. Exciting, right? Ford is known for being traded at a good volume, which is a positive sign. Additionally, the stock experiences minor daily changes, indicating a lower risk. In fact, during the last day, it moved $0.315, 2.55%, between its high and low points. Looking at the bigger picture, over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.6%. This means there has been some fluctuation, but nothing too drastic. So, it seems like a relatively stable investment. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore some exciting trading levels for Ford. But before we jump into that, let's go over some essential fundamental data. First up, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This ratio is a game changer as it measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Now, here's the interesting part. A low PE ratio could indicate two things: either the company's future prospects are not looking promising, or the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Exciting stuff, right? Time for some breaking news. The next earnings report for Q3 2023 is right around the corner, scheduled for October 24, 2023. Mark that date on your calendars. Now, pay close attention to this. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report are at $0.400. These numbers can have a significant impact on stock prices, so keep a keen eye on them. Get ready for an exciting discussion on potential day trading levels for Ford. If you're looking for an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $13.26. For those who don't own any shares, this could be your golden opportunity to jump in. And if you're already holding the stock, it's worth considering for some swing trading action. But wait, there's more. On the downside, Ford faces its first support level at $12.16. If this support level holds firm, it could be your perfect entry point, bracing for a potential rebound. Are you interested in Ford stocks? Well, let me tell you something exciting. The combined average rating for Ford from multiple analyst sources is a strong buy. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into some recent insider trades. Get this, on September 1, 2023, Weinberg John S., an insider, bought a whopping 2,176 shares of Ford stock units. And that's not all. On the same day, Vojvodok Radakovich Lin purchased 2,064 shares of Ford stock units. Hold on to your seats because Weimeier John B. also joined the insider buying club with 2,299 shares of Ford stock units. But wait, there's more. Thornton John L. made a bold move and bought 4,568 shares of Ford stock units. And last but not least, Mooney Beth E. jumped on the insider buying frenzy and acquired 1,393 shares of Ford stock units. Exciting stuff, right? Now, let's crunch some numbers. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 39.234. That's not all. Insiders have purchased a staggering 3,763,716 shares and sold 1,626,921 shares in the last 100 trades. Get ready for some exciting news. Our recommended stop loss is set at just $11.67, which means you can secure your investment while minimizing risks. But that's not all. This stock has been showing incredibly low daily movements, making it a great choice for those looking for a low-risk investment. And guess what? There's a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found just 18 days ago. Now, isn't that exciting? Are you considering buying Ford stock? While Ford has some positive aspects, we believe there are still not enough reasons to consider it a strong buy. However, it could be a good option to hold or accumulate, as we await further developments. We have slightly downgraded our analysis from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Our systems have identified that the current price of Ford is undervalued, based on the volatility in recent market movements. Looking ahead to Thursday, September 21st, we expect Ford to open at $12.46, which is an increase of $0.0983 from the previous trading day. Are you ready to take on the world of trading? But hold on, before you dive in, let's talk about some important things. We want you to be aware that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's crucial for your financial well-being to consult with a trusted financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Remember, your investment choices should not be solely based on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we're diving into an exciting stock and we want to hear your thoughts. Agree or disagree with our analysis? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. But that's not all. We want to know your target for this stock. Are you aiming high or playing it safe? Share your predictions and join the discussion. And hey, if you enjoy our content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot more stock insights coming your way. Wishing you all the best in your trading journey and hope you have a fantastic day. From all of us here at Stock Invest, take care and happy investing.